one of the moments that stuck out the most was the '97 Rumble when you eliminated yourself to go after Farouk.
Right.
Who in creative decided that that's what you should do, and were you okay with it, kind of thing?
No,
Like,
I wasn't okay with it, and it came from Vince. So when it comes from the boss, you got no choice in the matter but to do it. But no, I wasn't okay with that at all. Because I had won. What was that I won against Goldust?
Yeah.
We had that tournament that time, and I can't remember what tournament it was. But I eliminated Goldust with the last one in the ring. I eliminated him.
Okay.
And that was all fine. But, jumping out the ring, eliminating yourself, I always thought that was kind of stupid.